Welcome back to the shop. In this short video, I show you how to take this Wilton bullet end cap and polish it into this beauty. As many of you know, the conventional way of doing this is to start with a coarser grit sandpaper and you work your way all the way up to like a 4,000 grit or so to obtain this polish. And the whole theory behind it is you're scratching the surface finer and finer each time until you have a glassy finish. That's the conventional way. My way's a little different, and I'm going to show you how I do it. On small parts like this, you're going to need some way to hold it on the area that's not going to be polished. In this case, I have this 1.5 inch expanding exhaust tube mandrel. Luckily enough, it fits right over the end like that. Now I have myself a holding fixture. The first thing I usually do is hit it with this fine wire wheel, and that knocks off any high spots and it exposes any things that needed to be a little more sanded out or worked. After wire wheeling, the next step is this medium grit, roll lock, Scotchbrite pad. It bypasses all the hand sanding. You can see already how it's just starting to come to life. At first I do a couple directions, and then for the final pass, I just do it all in one direction. You can see how it's just starting to really brighten up, smooth out. So far we spent less than 5 minutes on this part. Okay, it looks like I removed all the inclusions. The marks you see is just from the Scotchbrite pad. So now this is where the magic happens. I'm using an inexpensive 6-inch Harbor Freight polishing wheel. It's 3450 RPM with this green polishing compound. Okay, now the final step. For the final step, I use Mother's mag and aluminum polish. You can use any type of metal polish. I just like Mother's. It's always worked good for me. I wanted to mention too, these are the same cotton wheels that came on this grinder from Harbor Freight. So just take a little bit of the compound. Apply it to my part. That's a little too much. It's going to end up in my face. Good thing I got my safety glasses on. Okay, got it on there. And there you have it. One beautifully polished part. Here's everything used to polish these parts. The same method will work on aluminum, steel, stainless steel, brass, bronze. I've used this method on just about every material in my shop, and the results are always this good. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. Now get out to your shop and start polishing. Until next time, see ya.